Have you often wondered if it's possible to make essential oils or your own hydrosols at home? Well, recently I managed to purchase an amazing piece of equipment, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what's inside and how you can start getting results yourself. Hi, I'm Sarah Janes from Soap School. Thanks so much for joining me today. Every week we create soap videos and beautiful handmade cosmetics with simple things that you can do at home. If you'd like to join us every week, hit the subscribe button below and I look forward to seeing you really soon. So let's get started and have a look at the actual product. So this is the beast. This is by a company called Oil X Tech. And the particular product that I purchased is called an SNX 100. Weird name for something that should have a far more fancy name to it, because what's inside here is going to be a game changer if you want to make your own essential oils and hydrosols. So let's open the box up. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer. I had to bring this back from overseas in my suitcase, so I actually did take some of the packing out of the top of this, so yours will have far more packing material in than mine. But this is absolutely loaded with goodies. So let's start having a look in the box and seeing what we've got. I'm actually quite excited because I haven't had a chance to check any of this yet. So the first thing looks like I've got a bag with the instructions, I would believe. Yeah, absolutely, and that's great because it has a parts list as well. So let's take them out. All right, so I've got a nice little leaflet here explaining that it's a microwave essential oil extraction system, and it gives me a little bit of information and a pretty picture. And then on the back, it's giving me the two models and just explaining a little bit more about it and their website if I want to stay in touch. So that's kind of cool. And then I've got, oh, this is information about the specific model, because they do have a couple of models and options. So depending on price point and how many bits you need, you can change the system. I bought the SNX 100A and I got the advanced model, which just means that it's got a few extra bits and pieces in it. And you can decide whether or not you need those, depending on how many you're going to be making. But this seems to have a parts list of what should be in there, and then the warranty and returns information and an order form in case you want to buy any more products from them. So the first thing are a whole slew of these plastic pieces, and these actually clip together. I'm not going to do it fully, but they clip together and they basically create a support collar for the other parts that you'll be seeing later. I haven't used these, so I have no idea quite how everything goes together yet. I'm going to just start putting everything out on the table and we'll have a look at them all in more detail. And then we've got a bag with a whole load of cones in. And these cones are actually moulds, and these are what we're going to be freezing our water in, believe it or not. And the water, once it's frozen, will then go into another system, another part, and that's what actually condenses. It melts and turns into steam and then condenses again. What have we got here? Ooh. So this is, it's like a little strainer to keep the botanical material out, presumably from the water. And then we've got, oh, this is the lid assembly. So the lid assembly itself comes in a couple of parts. You've got the handle, you've got the main lid, and then we've got some removable discs, and it tells you to remove them before attaching to your ice core. So we'll just pop them to one side as well. And then in this particular model, it comes with a whole load of these different sized vials, from teeny tiny vials all the way up to much longer vials, depending on how much essential oil you've made in the botanical product that you're using. So I think that's really nice, actually. They've actually provided them with it, which is great. Oh, more goodies. So we've got pipettes, a whole bag of pipettes. seems to be some kind of a screw or a bung for something. Not sure what that's for. And then this is all wrapped up as well. Let's have a look at this. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, so this is a separating flask. So when our distillation fluid is finished, we'll be putting it into here, and then by gently agitating the mix, we'll be able to separate the hydrosol and the essential oil. So that's quite an important piece of equipment. Oh, we've got a whole ton of these foam cores, and I know that these are used as part of the ice assembly, and there's 6 of those there, so that's great. That probably matches up then with the number of these ice core molds that we've got. I bet there's 6 of those as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 6. So that's fantastic. That means that with this particular model, I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So basically I've got 6 of all of the main core assemblies. So potentially I could actually make 6 batches in one day, which is fantastic. I don't think I'd ever need to do 6 batches, but it means I don't have to make a batch and then be waiting around, which is pretty awesome. So what else is in the box? Ooh, all sorts. Let's have a look. I think that's everything out of the box. So let's have a look at these main things. So this is the main assembly itself, and we've got one large glass vessel, and then inside that we've got 2 other ones. So one is scientific glass beaker for 200 milliliters. Your plant material goes into your main vessel. So let's say you were doing lavender flowers, you'd be putting all of the lavender flowers into here, and then this would go in the center and keep all of the flowers around the outside of your vessel. So it allows the steam to penetrate, but it doesn't allow the flowers to go into the middle area, because that is where our collection vessel, our little 200 milliliter glass container, is going to go. It also came with this leaflet inside. So again, it's just giving us exactly what is in the product itself, and then it's explaining how we actually use it. So the way this basically works, and I will be doing a full video showing you, but I can't do that right now because I have to pre-make the ice blocks, and even I'm not clever enough to actually be able to produce ice instantaneously. So what we do is we measure off a specific amount of water, and that gets poured into our little cone, and this then gets frozen until it's totally solid. And then what happens is you take that out of the mold, you pop one of these on top of it, and it gets screwed, believe it or not, with this screw handle. It gets screwed onto the lid. So you basically end up with a solid ice core screwed onto the lid itself. And that pops into the top once you've got all of your botanicals in it, and it literally goes into the microwave. So you might be thinking, well, why on earth would you use a microwave for making essential oils? Well, it's quite a good question. I have 2 other essential oil stills which I use, which are actually much bigger than this one, but they take a lot of time to set up, and I have to have them near a running water source. They're quite difficult and cumbersome to be using. And the reason that I went with the SNX 100 is I can literally put my botanical material in here. They recommend 100 grams of dry material. That's not that much. That means it's going to be perfect if you just want a small amount for maybe doing your own face creams at home, or for doing some hydrosols and some essential oil that you want to put in a particular soap. It's going to be perfect. I'm going to get exactly what I want from the plants that I want when I want it. But why is using a microwave better? Well, generally when I use a normal still, I can be 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I can even be an hour and a half or 2 hours getting just one batch made. And this SNX 100 literally is 6 to 8 minutes in the microwave, and I am going to have my own hydrosol and essential oils. And not only am I going to have those that I can use, but there's no solvents involved at all. It's all steam distillation. But I'm also going to get a better and more pure yield of the essential oils, because the steam, as it enters the botanicals in the microwave, it's actually going to explode the cells, and that means that I'm going to get different types of compounds that I'm not always able to achieve in a normal distillation system. And it doesn't deteriorate or destroy the more delicate elements of some of those essential oils and properties. And that to me is quite an important aspect. I want as many of those extracts and all of those goodies that I can possibly use. So how much did this wonderful product cost, I hear you say? Well, it was $229 plus the delivery charge. I really can't stress enough how excited I was to be buying one of these. It's like, I'm so excited. I can't wait. So as soon as I can find some botanical material to use, which is not going to be that easy because we're in the middle of winter in England and there's not a lot growing right now. But once I actually figure something out, I am going to be putting this baby to use, and you can come along for the ride and see how we make those using a whole ton of different things. So I would love to hear in the comments, what kind of things would you like to distill if you had one of these in your home right now? And what would you use them for? Would you just be using them for facial spritzing? Would you use them in your soap? Is it going to be something that you even cook with? Because a lot of people do use hydrosols and essential oils even in their food products these days. Let me know in the comments. So a quick recap. This is from a company called Oil X Tech, and the particular model itself is the SNX 100. That's ESSENEX 100. I'll put the link to the company and the model itself into the description underneath. And it cost me $229. But if you would like to make your own hydrosols and essential oils super fast and really keeping the quality of those oils, I recommend that you check this company out. I'm Sarah from Soap School. Please do hit the subscribe button if you'd like to follow us on YouTube and watch other videos with us. And I look forward to seeing you really soon. Bye for now.